DaVinci Resolve is a professional video editing and color correction software developed by Blackmagic Design. You can download DaVinci Resolve for free from the official Blackmagic Design website. Here are the general steps to download DaVinci Resolve. Visit the official DaVinci Resolve download page, go to the Blackmagic Design website, or directly to the DaVinci Resolve download. You'll typically find two versions of DaVinci Resolve available for download: DaVinci Resolve Free and DaVinci Resolve Studio, a paid version with additional features. Choose the version that suits your needs. You may be prompted to provide some information, such as your name and email address, before downloading. Fill out the required fields if prompted. After the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install DaVinci Resolve on your computer. When you first launch DaVinci Resolve, you'll see the Project Manager. This is where you can create new projects, open existing ones, and manage your media assets. DaVinci Resolve has a comprehensive and professional-grade interface with multiple pages designed for various aspects of video editing and color grading. Media Pool. Located in the bottom left of the interface, the Media Pool is where you import, organize, and manage your media files, video clips, audio, images, etc. You can create bins and folders to keep your assets organized. The Timeline Viewer or Cut page is where you assemble and edit your video clips. It's the central area of the interface, and you can switch between the Edit, Fusion, Color, Fairlight, and Deliver pages to access various editing and post-production functions. The Edit page is where you perform basic video editing tasks. It includes the Timeline Viewer and a toolbar with editing tools like cut, trim, and transition effects. The Fusion page is dedicated to advanced visual effects and compositing. It allows you to create complex animations, graphics, and visual effects using node-based compositing. The Color page is where you perform color correction and grading on your footage. It offers a variety of color grading tools, scopes, and nodes for precise control over the look of your video. The Fairlight page is used for audio editing and mixing. It includes a timeline for audio tracks, a mixer, and audio effects tools for adjusting and enhancing the audio in your. The Deliver page is where you set your export settings and render your final video. You can choose the output format, resolution, codec, and other parameters.